Hey guys, what is going on? So welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nika for those of y'all who are new here, and this is what's in my bag. So the handbag that I have been carrying is my Prada Tessuto Reversible Tote bag, and it is in this like olive green, but like it has like a almost kind of like chameleon effect to it where it is like brown as well. Really nice color shift to it. You can see it way more on camera than you can in person, but yeah, you can see the color shift in person too, but it's just like really noticeable on camera. Here's a quick look at the bag. So this is the front of the bag. It has this little zipper hang tag piece right here that says Prada, and this is a hidden zipper like underneath the flat part. Here is the side of the bag, the back of the bag. The other side of the bag has the Prada emblem right there. And then back around to the front. And then like I was saying, this bag is reversible. So this side that's reversible, when you reverse it, the handles will look like this. It doesn't have like a flap. And then it has a zipper. So the zipper will be in the back. And it doesn't have that little leather tab. It just has the normal zipper tag, that zipper pull on it that says Prada on the metal part. And then you will see the emblem as well when you flip it inside out. It's on the exact same side. The accessories I'm using on my bag is I have this really cute little bunny that I got a while ago from Amazon. This is made out of real fur. Then I have this little Funyuns bag charm that I made from an ornament that I got from Hobby Lobby. Decided to turn it into a bag charm. And then I have my vintage Hermes pocket square attached to it as well, just for a little color, a little razzle dazzle. And then I attach my charms to the bag with a carabiner. And so this bag does originally come with a strap. It does have like 2 D-rings, but when I purchased this bag, it did not come with the strap, and I did end up getting a strap for it, but I don't even like it with the strap anyway, so it's completely fine that it did not come with the original strap. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into everything that I am carrying inside of my bag. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is my cell phone, and I just changed into this really cute cell phone case right here that just has stars all over it. And then I'm using this little wristlet charm that I got from Minoso. The next thing that I have inside of my bag is I have another bag inside of my bag because I went to the thrift store and I didn't want to take this big bag inside, so I just threw my smaller crossbody bag. The next item that I have is I have my lighter in here. I do not smoke or anything like that, but I just have it in here just in case. And then I have my phone stand that I got a few years ago from Shein. The next thing are my keys. I still have my keys in my bag. Usually when I come home I hang them up, but I just recently got in. And then I have some handy dandy nail glue just floating around inside of my bag. And then I have some hydration mix in here, and this is the Walmart brand in the fruit punch flavor, and this one's actually really good, really comparable to the Liquid IV. And then I have this Tory Burch wristlet in here, and then I just have like some like a couple like lip products and stuff in here. So I have my NYX Cosmetic Powder Puff Lippy, and this is in, what is this in? This is in Best Buds. I have an LA Colors lip liner, of course. This is in Smooth Plum. And then I have my Fenty Beauty Breadwinner liquid lipstick. And then I have my little bag hook as well, just in case. And that is everything that's inside of here. The next thing that I have is I have my key holder. I've been carrying this for a while. If you guys have seen my What's in My Bags videos, you have been seeing this key holder for a while, which is a eel skin key holder, looks like that in the inside. And then the next thing that I have is my round Louis Vuitton coin purse, and I do have just a little bit of change in here. And then I have my AirPods in here, and I just threw them in this cute little bow case right here. And just to show you guys what it looks like in reverse, now that everything is out of the bag, this is what it looks like if I was to reverse it. So yeah, this is also a cute way to wear it. You see, this is the inside zipper now on the outside, and then you can see the D-rings and stuff like that where you would put the strap. And then so this looks super cute as well. And then you still have the Prada emblem right here in the corner. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, comment down below, let me know what you think of this bag carry. And if you enjoy this type of content along with affordable fashion, bag talk, and the occasional vlog, definitely consider subscribing. Well guys, until the next one, bye.